Studies have shown that Amazon's recommendation products have driven 35% of their sales. And in today's video, we're going to show you one of the methods that they use, which is compare products. And we're going to be able to add that to any WordPress, WooCommerce site that you have for you or your clients and help you drive more sales. So let's dive right in. Here we are. We're just in an install with Astra Theme and WooCommerce and my plugin that builds compare products for a product page. If we just scroll down, you can see we have our recommendation section. This is a great way to tier up customers while also showing them the value of the product. You'll see this feature on websites like Amazon and Walmart. It's a great way to tier up your customers and upsell them into something that fits their needs perfectly. Now I'll show you how this is done in the back end of WordPress. So we're just going to go up here to edit product. Again, this plugin will be in the description of this video, and you can get it at my website at autodub.io. So if you scroll down, you'll see a meta box, product compare, and how you start doing this is we're just going to see 3D printers, and we're just going to start adding them in. And then as you can see, the current item shows up automatically once you add your first product. And we're going to continue adding 3D printers. And there we go. Now they're already in the order we like, but you can easily change what order you'd like to have them in and have it exactly how you like it. And you can see that price, customer rating, and brand are already there. Of course, you can remove them. You can also add the attributes here. So we'll just add all the ones that we use. Simple as clicking on them. And then we'll just leave it at that. Now, just like up top, you can move them around and change things around, and you just build it that quick. Now that you have it looking and everything inputted, you can actually choose where you'd like to show the product. Before tabs, so before the tab section, like between the image and the description, before related products, after related products, or in the tab area itself. So we had it before related products last time. We'll put it in the tab area. And now if we hit update, view product, you'll see there's a compare tab now. And now all lives inside the tabbed area. As you see, this is very, very flexible, easy to set up, and customize to however you like it. It's just a great way to get information to your customers about other products you have, as well as slowly tier them up in value. And if you want to do that to a whole nother level, we'll just click on this product here, and I'll show you a whole nother way to increase your average order of a customer and the frequently bought together. This plugin's also on my website. Again, we'll have it linked in the description. Using these two methods, you can easily increase your average order value and also increase your sales by 20 to 30%. Giant companies have been using these two methods for a long time. They are proven to be very effective in increasing your sales. So there's no reason to put this on your own site or add it to your clients. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.